Okay, so hello everyone. Welcome to Picador PH. Okay, so today, gagawa tayo ng bootable device. Alright, so gamit ang flash drive, of course, tapos through CMD. Okay, so paano yung gagawin? First, make sure yung flash drive ninyo ay wala na kayong important files. Kasi madidelete siya. Okay? Let's start. Lalagay ko na siya. So my flash drive is already inserted, and I just want to type CMD or the command prompt. Then just type diskpart. Another window will pop up. Okay. Then after that, once we have this window, then just type this disk. Okay, for us to show up all the disks that we have in our computer. Okay, so for now I have 300 gigabyte, 320 gigabyte on my device, on my hard disk device, and I have 4 gigabyte flash drive. Okay, so the target disk will be the disk 1. Okay, just because that disk is my flash drive. Alright, so how to target or select? Just type select disk 1. Okay, so now there's a message that the disk 1 is now selected disk. Alright, then after that, just type clean for us to clean all the settings. Okay, all the settings for the flash drive. So that's why I want you to make sure that you do not have any important files on your flash drive. Then after that, there's a message again. Okay, format. This part succeeded in cleaning the disk. Alright, then after we clean the disk, then just type create partition primary. Okay, so primary meaning you can actually use the partition of your flash drive or division of your flash drive. But now I want to have just single partition, so I just want to create a partition 1. Okay, automatically that will be the partition 1. Then after that, just select the that partition. How many partitions that we have again? 1. Okay, so that's why I'm selecting the partition 1. Then just hit enter. Then after that, I want to make it as active partition. Then after that, let's format. I want to convert the flash drive file system type into FAT32 to ntfs. This because that file is used for the computers to read after boot up. Alright, format fs for file system type is equals to ntfs, then space, then quick. I want to have a quick format. Then just wait for to make it 100%. Then it's done. Okay, I'll just pause it. Until it's done. Alright. Okay, so it's done already. And after that, just exit this command. You can actually type exit keyword or command, or just press the X button. Alright, now let's see where's the flash drive is, and let's check if it is already not a NTFS or format. Alright, so as you can see, the file system type of this flash drive is now NTFS. Alright, then after that, copy or extract or copy the files for your operating system. Okay, let's just actually extract. Okay, I have here Windows 7 Aero Blue 2016 Lite Edition, just because I only have 4 gigabyte. So I'll just click it, and actually I'm using WinRAR for me to extract files that is a zip. Then just click extract to, and just select the letter or your flash drive, which is my flash drive is removable disk E. I have here the removable disk E. Then simple as that. Okay, just wait this extracting process finish. Okay, so I'll post this one. Okay, so it's already 99%. Just wait until 100%, then you're finished. You can actually use the flash drive for installing the operating system that you want. Okay. Okay, so before ending this video, if you want to get notified for those new videos, I just want you to click that notification bell. And if you are still new in our YouTube channel, then eventually just click subscribe. All right. So goodbye.